leaving the Port of Rotterdam in the Netherlands on a Holland America cruise. And look what they do for you. Isn't that cool? The Nautical salute. This is the view from our balcony. We were going on Holland America cruise to Scandinavia, to the capitals. And I'm just a big fan of Holland America. We're 4-star mariners with the cruise line, and it's a good fit for us. The name of our ship was the Rotterdam. And speaking of Rotterdam, if you visit the Netherlands, don't skip Rotterdam. It's a beautiful modern city. I know a lot of people want to go to Amsterdam or maybe out in the more quaint areas of the Netherlands, but Rotterdam's a beautiful city itself, so don't miss it. And get out there, keep traveling, my friends.